Las Vegas, and we finally made it here. We're spending one night under the electric sky. Come along with us, 12 hours here at EDC Las Vegas. Dropped off here for the Salvage City Supper Club experience, about 30 minutes past our scheduled time. Wow guys, this is so cool. I can't wait to show you all of what's about to happen next. Let's go.
Do some things you might regret tomorrow. You came here to lose your mind, not your phone. But this place right here, this temple of sin and memory, it belongs to her. The one who knows everything you made before you do. The one who remembers every dirty little deed you tried to forget. So give it up for our queen of the lost and lustful, the oracle. Go.
Here's a look at this year's menu. Feel free to pause it for a deeper dive.
So far, this experience is amazing. It's a lot different when you're doing it in the daytime. The sun is still out, but still a vibe. Let's have some dinner.
Here's the tri-tip, and my favorite, the sea bass.
You came, you ate, you danced, and let the fuck go. Respect!
After dinner, we moved to the rooftop for a good view of EDC.
In the base spot, it is approximately 7:56 p.m. Just finished up with our Salvage City reservations, and we're just gonna hang out here until our meetup. I can't wait to see all of you guys. Trade some candy. Let's go. Say goodbye.
Levity was fun, but it is a little crowded. Let's go check out the new Ubuntu stage nearby. This stage design is cool, and these little rooms are pretty fun. This stage design is cool, and these little rooms are pretty fun. Here we have the zipper. Looks pretty intense to me, so I might try another time. Want to ride Music Fest at the Music Fest? Let's make our way to the next stage, wasteLAND. Want to check out Downtown EDC? Okay, let's go. How about some electrolit for a quick pick-me-up? That was cool. I would definitely get more on the way back. Let's go to Downtown EDC. After 3 years, let's finally do the Kandi Casino. I know the wait will be totally worth it.
Casino, we've got 3 lovely games for you. We've got a real fun on this side. We've got blackjack.
Inside is pretty packed. Let me snap a couple shots and play a few games before we dip out.
7, 8, 9, that's on the table. EDC, are you ready to play blackjack?
The fun part is that you can bet as much as you want and you can even trade trinkets too. Blackjack is my favorite, and the dealer busted during my hand and I won 3 extra Kandi singles. Let's check out the rest of Downtown EDC. That wedding was packed. Let's make our way to stereoBLOOM before heading to Kinetic Field for Martin Garrix. Here we have a beautiful view of Kinetic Field from the entrance. The Metropolis stage is pretty cool and the lighting really brings the city to life. There are a lot of skyscrapers with the changing LED windows, and the owl in the center is pretty sick. The owl's head moves left to right, but that's about it. Here at the Kinetic Field VIP is this experience called the Department of Power. Let's go inside and have a look. Well, that was pretty cool. We got to see Tesla coils in sync with Eli Brown's new song, Wavy. Are you enjoying this video? Please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more EDC content. I really enjoy these intermezzos because of all the lights, drones, fireworks, and pyro. Up next, Martin Garrix.
EDC! 1, 2.
12 hours at EDC is not enough time, guys. Let's head to Cosmic Meadow to see Cascade B2B Alice in Wonderland for a bit before going to Amelie Lens for the fireworks show. If you've been watching my videos, I hope you snapped your EDC photo here. There's Bionic Jungle, and wow, look at Cosmic Meadow. There's so many people. 1 year later, we're back under the electric sky, this time only for a day. That means we only get one fireworks show this weekend, and I am loving it. Guys, what an amazing 12 hours it's been. We're tuning in from the rideshare parking lot. We're just having a squat here because there's not many places to sit, and boy are we tired. Guys, we had such an amazing time. I'm really glad that we got to have a meetup, and I got to meet so many of you who took some time to come say hello to Mrs. Tour Guide and I. And for that, we extend our deepest appreciation. Thank you again so much for coming out and showing your support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video about what you can expect from 12 hours a day in EDC Las Vegas.